So in Procreate, my canvas is blurry, or I see all the pixels when I zoom in. This is an incredibly common problem. I'm going to open the file I'm circling, and you can see underneath it has 5,000 pixels running along the side with 3,500 pixels going upwards. And if I pinch outwards to zoom in, you can see I've got plenty of detail here and some nice sharp edges. But if I compare that with the image next to it, it only has 1,000 pixels along the side. It looks pretty much the same, but if I zoom in on this, there's simply not enough pixels to give you the detail you want. The solution is very easy. Come to where I'm circling to create a new canvas and either choose a preset with more pixels, A4 will give you more pixels, or create your own canvas. Tap where I'm circling, enter your pixel size in the width and height field, press the check mark to create your canvas, and that's going to give you more pixels to play with.